Hi, this is Ramesh. Welcome to the MSBI training videos. In this video, I am going to explain about how to create the databases in the SQL query. Using the SQL query, how to we can create the databases. First click on the new query. In this query, first we have the, by default we have the 4 databases created. First one is the master, model, MSDB and tempdb. These are the by default databases. Whenever you are installing the SQL server in your system, at that time these 4 databases are created. So first one is the master database. In the master database contains the it is used for the creating the new databases. Whenever you are creating the new database, at the time you take the option master database. Second one is the model. Model is the sample database. Third one is the MSDB. MSDB contains the table package related information, table related information, reporting services information. These type of information that is stored in the MSDB. Tempdb is for the temporary tables are created, temporary things are created in the tempdb. Now I am creating the new database, so I am taking the master. Whenever you are creating new database, always you take the master. Okay, after that the code for creating the database is create database name here. So now I am creating the sales database. Okay, for simply you can use this syntax for creating the table. These are the optional things. Whenever you are creating the new database, at that time 2 files are created. One is the log file, second one is the data file. So here sale.mdf is my, so sale.mdf is the file that is used for creating the data information, and also sale log.idf is the file, it is used for saving the log information. File name equals to C program files Microsoft SQL Server. So this is the path. SQL Server, in this is for the analytics reporting service. Okay, in the MS SQL, go for the data. So by default, how many databases are created is 4: master, model and a temp. So for the master database, this is the master data, master log. Model data, model log. MSBI is already created. MSBI training log. MSDB data, MSDB log. Reporting server, tempdb, temp log. Now I am going to create the one database here. So my database name is sales. So by default size is the 10 MB and max size is the 50. File growth is 5 MB. Whenever we are reaching the 10 MB space, after that it is increased to 5 MB space, like this way. So now select this code and click on the execute. So command completed successfully. So now refresh this thing. Sales database is created and tables are nothing. So now go for your folder drive, sales data and sales log. By default this size is the 10 MB and this one size is the 5 MB. MSBI training size is the 4 MB and MSBI training long is the 1 MB. Like this way we can create the databases in the MS in the SQL server using the code view. So this is the syntax: create a database sales. Sales is my database name, on name equals to sales underscore dot, file name equals to this one. Our data file extension is .mdf. So size is the by default size is by default 4 MB. I am setting it as the 10 MB. Max size is 50. If you are not giving any max size at that time, it takes the our computer free memory in the C drive. So here I have the 14 GB is free memory, so it takes the by default it is the 14 GB. File growth is the 5 MB. After reaching the 10 MB, it goes to the 15 MB, 20 MB like this. Thanks for listening.